Did you know that nearly 70% of projects fail to meet their goals? Not because people aren't working hard, but because they're working hard in the wrong direction. Imagine trying to build a house without blueprints or setting off on a road trip without a map. Effort alone won't get you there. That's the problem we're solving with project management. I'm the professor, your guide on mind in motion, where we break down big ideas into simple, practical steps. Over this Project Management 101 series, we'll peel back the curtain on what it takes to turn ideas into reality. Whether it's launching a new product, organizing an event, or even remodeling your kitchen. A project is more than just work. It's a temporary, focused effort aimed at creating something unique. Unlike your daily routine, like answering emails or restocking supplies, projects have a clear start and finish, and deliver something new or different. Whether you're planning a wedding, building an app, or moving to a new house, these are all projects, and each one comes with uncertainty and change, which is what makes them exciting but also challenging. Think of project management as your project's GPS. It's the combination of skills, tools, and techniques that guide you from the initial idea all the way to completion, while navigating detours, traffic jams, and unexpected roadblocks. The Project Management Institute, PMI, defines it as the use of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to deliver value through projects. In other words, it's how we turn visions into reality, on time, within budget, and with the quality that stakeholders expect. Here's a core concept called the iron triangle, or triple constraint, that shows why project management matters so much. Every project juggles three key things: time, cost, and scope. Imagine you want to bake a cake, scope, by Friday, time, but only have $10, cost. Want it faster? You might have to spend more on ingredients or helpers. Want it cheaper? You might have to make a smaller cake or skip some decorations. Changing one corner affects the others, and finding the right balance is the project manager's art and science. Most projects flow through 5 key phases, like a well-planned journey. Initiate, define the problem, and get buy-in for your idea. Plan, build your roadmap, set timelines, budgets, and line up resources. Execute. The work really happens here. Monitor and control. Check your progress, track performance, and adjust course as needed. Close. Wrap up, reflect on what went well, and learn for next time. This life cycle isn't just for big projects. It's a framework you can apply anywhere. Let's make this real with a quick example. Say you're renovating your kitchen. That's a project. It has a clear goal. Update the cabinets, upgrade the lighting, maybe even install new appliances. All within a specific budget. That's your initiation phase, defining what success looks like. Next, you build your plan, choosing materials, hiring a contractor, setting your timeline, and figuring out how much it'll all cost. That's the planning phase. Then the work begins. Demolition, installation, inspections. That's execution. But things don't always go smoothly. Maybe the countertops arrive late, or the wiring needs unexpected upgrades. That's where monitoring and controlling come in. Keeping everything on track, adjusting as needed. And finally, when the job is done, you do a walkthrough, pay the final invoice, and enjoy your first meal in your new space. That's closure. From vision to reality. That's project management at work. What exactly does a project manager do? Think of them as the conductor of an orchestra. They may not play every instrument, but they ensure all the musicians are in sync, following the same sheet music, and keeping time. PMs coordinate the team, manage risks before they become problems, keep timelines visible, communicate with stakeholders, and make sure no detail slips through the cracks. Without that central conductor, even the best teams can fall out of rhythm. You don't need to be a certified project manager to benefit from these skills. If you've ever juggled multiple tasks, coordinated a group, or met a tight deadline, you've already practiced project management. Learning how to do it well can transform your day-to-day life, saving time, reducing stress, and helping you lead with clarity and confidence, whether at work, home, or in your community. In upcoming episodes, we'll dive into the essential skills every great project manager needs, review practical tools you can start using today, and explore how to handle real-world challenges when projects don't go as planned. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. And if this video helped you, hit like or share it with someone who could use a little more organization in their life. I'd love to hear from you. What's a project you've worked on recently, whether at work, home, or just for fun? Drop a comment below and share your story. The wins, the struggles, or what you learned. Let's learn from each other. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.